Okay, so what is management? Management is referred to the process of planning and ensuring that our objective can be achieved. Alright, so when we talk about the management, we can refer to what we call as the management functions. For management function is the planning, organizing, leading and controlling. When we talk about the planning, it's referred to plan, the process where we plan our objective, what we're going to achieve in long term, short term, and etc. So after that, we go to organizing, where from the objective that we're going to achieve, we're going to plan, assign the manpower, the facilities, then maybe amount of money that we need to invest. Then we go to the leading, where from all the planning that we have, we're going to deliver. We're going to disseminate to the subordinates so that they can know what actually we're going to do, what actually we expect from them, and etc. Then we come to the last part, which we call as a controlling. When we talk about the controlling, it's referred to the process where we're going to monitor the process. Is it the flows goes as what we expect? If there is any improvement needed, so we need to find the corrective action as soon as possible so that we can make sure we are back on track. So from this POLC, planning, organizing, leading and controlling, we can make sure that we're going to have the effective management process itself so that we can achieve the main basic thing, the main objective just now, to achieve our main goal. Okay, bye.